So when you open up the Classroom app on your iPad, you should see all 3 of your classes. And so what you'll want to do is you want to click into the class that you currently have. And so the students that are online, that are currently on their iPad, you'll see which ones are online, which ones are offline. On your top row here, if you click where the 4 squares are up top, you can just see which app or website they're on. If I click that again, I can actually see their screens. Okay, so if I want to see specifically what a student is doing, I can click on their names and it gives me some options. I can click view screen and I can see exactly what they're looking at. I could also click open and I could say specific apps that I want to lock them in, and I could click lock in app after opening. Okay, I could navigate them to a specific website if you have one that they have favorited or put in their bookmarks. Okay, I could hide their screen, I could lock their screen, I could mute them, or I could even choose to AirPlay them to your TV if you would like. You could do this for the whole class if you press the lock button at the very top in that menu. I could also create groups if I wanted to. I could say group 1, name it whatever you would like, and then I could just select certain students to be a part of that group and press done. And so then I could just see what that group is doing or put them in a specific app if I wanted to. Okay, to delete a group or to go back to all of your students, you can just click all students on the left. To delete a group, you can just swipe it and that'll go away. And when you get done, you can click those 3 dots in the circle in the top right hand corner and you can select in class. And so then it'll tell you what apps were used, what students were on the apps. And if you click on a student's name, it'll actually tell you how long they were on the app while you were observing them, and if they had logged off at any point, like if there were any gaps in that. But you always want to make sure you end the class whenever you're done observing, so that way they're able to be observed in their next class.